I hate the stone bits. I never get through, so I always dig it. So.
Oh.
Look at this rock.
Oh.
That's pretty. I
It
want it.
looks like
Do you want to keep it?
Okay.
I want to put it. Let's both keep it.
Yeah.
Someone can decide.
What's this? I see a reed.
Yeah.
Whoa. Could do
It's a
it.
root, actually.
Oh
It's
yeah.
not a weed.
I just forgot the name of it. Try to do it. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's put it back. Okay, so we do something else now. Now let's say yes to whatever you say. Okay, what do you want me to do? We'll take turns.
I want you to put this in your mouth.
Okay.
I'll video you doing it.
Okay, I'm getting the clean one though.
Get a clean one then. It's loads here. Come on, Freya. You don't have to eat it.